Hi everyone, Josie here, Life at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here on my channel. Today, I have a 99 cents only store haul for you all. For those of you who are not familiar with the 99 cents only store, not all items are priced 99 cents. There are some items that are below 99 cents, like I've seen 59 cents as well as 69, 79, 89. But majority of them are 99 cents, and those others that are otherwise marked are either below 99 or higher than 99. So those with stickers like that will have the price explicitly shown, but to those without sticker like this one, it's a 99 cents product. This hook hanger for a feeder. Okay, I think you can also put plants in it, so if you have already a shepherd hook, this one also I got at 99 cent store for 99 cents. And if I have a feeder here or a plant and I want the hummingbird to feed off of a feeder near a plant, so for example I have a nice plant here that is a hummingbird favorite, I can hang the feeder below it. Okay, so just imagine how that would look like. So this is a terrarium, a metal terrarium. Yep, it's made of metal, and look, you can open and close the roof. You can lock it. Here, there's a handle if you want to carry it or hang it. If you have a chain and you want to hang it, or if you have an S hook, on a shepherd hook, if you want to do that, you can do that also. Yeah, but the only thing is this is made of plastic, so like an acrylic plastic. You can actually put small plants here, like probably real succulents or real small plants, because there's a hole here. If you want to water, something, you can water it and then the water will go through the hole. But yeah, I like it a lot, farmhouse style. This galvanized watering can, and this is huge. It's 7 to 8 inch in diameter, and I believe this is around 10 inches high. The spout itself is long. See here? It's only $2.99. You can paint it, you can distress it, you can rust it if you want to make it look really old. You can also paint it so that it'll look like enamel. Whatever you want to do with this, okay? They do have the painted ones, but not this big. I think they're smaller. Kind of like same size as the one you get at Target Dollar Spot, but they're cheaper than Target Dollar Spot because they were $2.99. Pot stand with wheels. My latest DIY for my organizer, to show you how I add wheels or casters. When I saw this, I said, anyone who's near or who has a 99 cent store nearby, and I apologize for those of you who don't have, you can get this and use the casters, and only for $1.99. I was actually researching the prices of the casters, because you will need 4, right, if you're going to add, and they're pretty expensive. Go to Amazon if you want something this big, okay, which will be perfect for that DIY. It's like $12 for the set of 4. Now I got this too here, 99 cents each a pack. I want to put this in a bowl or in a glass jar, so I purchased 2 of them for 99 cents each. So I got these 2 hummingbird feeders from 99 cent store. They also sell this at Dollar Tree, but since I'm there and it's a couple of pennies cheaper, I took them. I mean, for the price, it's really good. But if you want to put somewhere where they can stand or perch, you can add this. This is a spring rubber coated flex tie, 5M assortment, and it's 3mm. And all you need to do is probably cut around 3 inches, and then just kind of tie it around here, and then make sure that you create a perch, somewhere they can perch, because if you have a place for them to perch, they will stay a bit longer, and you will see them even kind of like pause for a bit, kind of reflect on life. Just tie a knot there. And they're very light. I mean, the hummingbirds are very light, so this should be able to hold it up. So make sure you kind of tighten it with the plier, and then just make sure that this is here. You can also use some floor wires. I prefer using this because this will not harm them. This is softer and it's stable and it doesn't rust. This ceramic bird, this is $1.99. I actually thought this was just 99 cents. I wonder why they priced this at $1.99. But even though it's $1.99 and a little bit more expensive than I hoped it would be priced, it's pretty. It's bigger than your regular bird that you will see being sold, and it's nicer. It's a little bit more kind of modern or with slicker lines. This kind of reminds me of Ray Dunn, you know. So this is the kind of look or sleek look that you will expect to see in probably a hutch, or if you're going to have your own trays, you know, the 3 tiers. This will fit in one of them and just put it there along with your Ray Dunn collection, and nobody would ever think that you got it at 99 cents only store. This is a bead garland and it's around 8 feet long. So I can use this for my projects for 99 cents. That's really a good price. This one, I wish they had more left, but I was able to buy one at least. And this is the artificial dogtail bush. And this is 21.7 inch. Again, 99 cents. And look at all, I mean, I got these 2 peonies. They have the blush and the yellow, or kind of pale yellow or cream colored. And these are the long stems, and they're 99 cents each. I know that Dollar Tree sells with more heads, probably 5 heads, but they're smaller. And they're also shorter. Okay, so if I'm putting this in a vase that's taller, I can put this without adding reinforcements. So I got this blue, what do you call this? Mini daisy stem. Okay, and these are made of kind of like felt. So this is really amazing how they made this, and there are around 9, I think, or 10 blooms here. 9, sorry. And these are again felt. It may not look realistic, but it really looks so pretty in an arrangement. These are the roses. This one has 6, this one has 5, this one has 4. Let's see how many this one has. This one has 6. So I'm thinking they may have 6, but since these are the only remaining ones, this was missing probably 3. I still think I got a pretty good deal, considering these are really nice. They're pretty. They're made of felt, but from afar you can see if you're doing a wreath or a decoration, even at churches, you mix them with real ones. If you just want to do filler flowers, they will not notice that these aren't real. Look at that. Aren't they pretty? They come in blush or pink as well. I've been mentioning it here in my channel whenever I do DIY. I wish Dollar Tree would sell more wooden items, but 99 cents, whenever they take out all their spring items, they do have a lot of gardening items. And I'm going to try to insert some footages and photos here on this video. But look at this. They have hardwood stakes. See how long that is? And this one is $1.99, but you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sticks, and they're 35 by 35.4 inches high. Okay, they're thin, but you can do a lot of projects using this, and it's pointed here. So again, they're used for gardening, but you can use this also for your projects, you know, farmhouse style projects, or anything that you would need a wood, you could probably use that. This is $4.99. Look at the size of this one. And I was kind of going for the pale neutral tone. If they have the same frames with similar florals, I want to put 4 of them, identical ones, and kind of update our dining room area. I want to brighten up our home in general, in our home, and I'm starting with our formal living dining room area, and this would have been nice, but look, only $4.99, and it's not, you know, not real breakable glass, but it is really, really nice and heavy. So if I can only find the measurement, I'm thinking this is more like 20, maybe 24. These are 12, and by 15 or 17, something like that. But it's still huge, guys. I mean, I'm really liking this frame. And I got this one too, and I'm gonna be inserting a video of a clip of two other styles that they have. They come in gold and silver frames, and on the gold and silver frames, this side here, you know, where you will put your letters, they're black. Okay, so but I chose this one with the black frame and white background with black letters. Those ones with, of course, obviously with the black background will have the white letters, but I chose the white and with black letters because I like the frame as is, and if I want to refinish this or paint this, it's made of plastic, I can do so. Okay, and you know, that's really very popular right now. And this one is $3.99. Wow, I was floored to see this. These are $2.99 each, and these are the huge ones. This is about probably 8 inches or 9 inches wide and around 3 inches tall, and there are 2 drawers in each. So I do plan to stack them up. Look, there's a spot where you can actually stack them up. And if you buy this at you know, TJ Maxx or Home Goods or Ross, it probably would cost more than $6 or $7 each. I've seen a smaller one. Actually, I purchased a smaller one at TJ Maxx one time, and it was $6.99. So imagine this size would have been probably $8 or $9 each. So I really scored on this one to organize her makeup. And this item, I really scored on this one. This comes also in black and white chevron pattern. Same pattern, but you know, it's black. And the price is really wonderful. You would expect someone to pay $5.99 for the biggest one, but to get them in 3 in a pack, that's even more amazing. And this is durable on the rim. So look at the smallest. And then this is the medium size, and then there's the big size. So I'm thinking maybe using this in our bathroom or linen closet to put things. Okay, so I purchased only one for $5.99. Again, great deal. I have a project, an upcoming project, where I'm going to be redecorating our guest bedroom, and it's going to be in kind of like a farmhouse, French country, or shabby chic style, I don't know. But I got this king set, $14.99. Get a 4-piece set, fitted and loose sheet, as well as the pillowcases. So it comes in gray, in blue, this color here, which is in ivory. I got 2 sets of shower curtains. This one has a clear top shower curtain, and it has 12 hooks already. So I got it in this color teal, and look, the hooks are pretty. So in a set, you get $1.99. So it's 13-piece set because they counted also the pieces of the hooks. There are 8 here. So yeah, so we're gonna be replacing our shower curtains soon. But I also got this. This doesn't come with the rings. It just came with on its own, $1.99 also. But what I like about this one is this one has a design. I really like this design a lot. And look at this. For 99 cents only, I got this reusable wipes, an all-purpose reusable wipes, cleaning cloths, and there are 40 cleaning cloths in this roll. They come in yellow, green, and blue as well. And I picked out this kind of teal green color because it is the color that I really like. It you could see in our kitchen. I will give you a look of our kitchen. See, you can see that color here. So you know, I know it's just a cleaning wipes, but it'd be good to have something matching too. But 40 pieces for 99 cents, really a good deal. Probably gonna go back there to get some more. And this one here, a dust and scrub mitt, 2-in-1 microfiber, so I can use one side and then the other side also. So if we're cleaning up our furnishings or countertops or any place actually that we want to remove dust on, you know, televisions or appliances, electronics. This will be great. So they have this also in yellow, green, and pink, and I got it in blue. So take care everyone. Have a great day and God bless. Talk to you again on my next video. Bye bye.